Thus, we are now in chapter 7, the measures of dispersion for group data. Okay, before this, what we learn during the Form 4, we learn ways to interpret the dispersion of ungrouped data. Yeah, it's ungrouped based on the stem and leaf plots and the dot plots. If you still remember this one, this is your data. This is your data, yeah. All it's ungrouped, it all scattered here, and you make your stem and leaf, and you can see how the data is dispersed or scattered. And then you learn about dot plot. Once again, you have this data that is ungrouped, yeah, and then you plot this dot plot. And this one also, the diagram, the dot plot can tell you about the dispersion of the data. Yeah. Okay, but today in chapter 7, what we will learn is we will observe the dispersion for a group data. Yeah. We will group the data. We won't see it individually, but we will group it into classes that we will learn today. And then, yeah, we will construct histogram and frequency polygon. This is what we will learn today, how to construct histogram and frequency polygon. And if you want to know what is histogram is like this one, like the building, yeah, bar chart. It's like that, but how to draw it, we will learn it. And then this is the histogram, and the frequency polygon actually you can get from your histogram. Yeah, you just get the midpoint like that, something like this lah. Yeah, and we learn this one. Yeah, we will learn this today. So before you can draw this histogram and frequency polygon, you have to know a few terms, that is class interval, lower limit, upper limit, midpoint, lower boundary, upper boundary, and cumulative frequency. Yeah? Example 1, you have a ungrouped data here. It is ungrouped, and the data on the right shows the heights to the nearest cm of a group of Form 5 pupils. Yeah, the heights. So A, you have to determine the class intervals for the data if the number of classes required is 6. Yeah, the number of classes required is 6. So we will make 6 classes. Yeah, how to make the classes? You have to use this first formula, that is the size of class interval equal to largest data, largest data value minus smallest data value, and you divide with the number of classes. So from here, from this data, the largest data is what? So you have to see lah. Here 173, and the lowest is 145. Yeah. So you just use this formula. Largest 173 minus smallest data is 145. You divide with number of classes. Number of classes is this one, 6. The question wants you to have 6 classes. So you divide by 6. So what you get is 4.7. Okay. But the size must be in round number. So you have to round it to 5. Meaning, what does this 5 means? Meaning your first number is 145, right? So you have 5 numbers in that interval. So you have 145, 46, 147, 148, 149. So you have 5 numbers. So your class will be 145 to 149. So there is a range for each class with the same interval, 145 to 149. And then the next one is 150 to, okay, must have 5 numbers, so it will be 1, 5, 5, 4. Okay, and then next is what? 1, 5, 5, 2. If you see, actually it's just plus 4 here. Why plus 4? Because this one already one number, and then you plus another 4 numbers. It will make 5. Yeah, 5 numbers. So this one, I can see the pattern. So I just add 4, 1, 5, 9. So 160 to 164. Then 165 to 1, 6, 169, then 170 to 174. So you have answered the question, determine the class interval. So this is the class interval, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 class interval. Okay, next one, B, construct a frequency table based on the information in A. Hence, complete the frequency table with this one, lower limit, upper limit, midpoint, lower boundary, upper boundary. Yeah. So we will do it. Draw the table. Yeah. So you will start with a very long table because you have a few column to fill. We have 6. Before that, this one is the height. Yeah, this is the height. It's in cm. Okay. Okay, so I'll divide this into 6 classes, 6 rows. The first one is, you just write it back. Before that, this will be the frequency, and then the the frequency, the lower limit, the upper limit, the midpoint, and then the lower and upper boundary. Okay, so we write it here, the frequency. Okay, so do you still remember the classes? So the classes will be 145 to 149. Yeah, 150 to 154, 155. Okay, now you want to find the frequency. The frequency, so you have to look at your table here. So 145 to 149, so you have to look for it lah. 145, 1 You have to find it here, but for me, I prefer to tally it. Yeah, that you go through this data one by one until you finish tally. So I will start with this one lah. 153. Yeah, 153 will be where? Here, right? Will be here. Okay, I just write it. Tally it. 158, 158 here, and then 145 here, 166, 156. Okay, 155, 164. This one. So what you'll get is 2, 3, 6, 5, 3, and 1. Okay, so then next one you will do is the lower limit. Yeah, lower limit, and then upper limit. Okay, so lower limit will be, you just take, this is the lower limit. Yeah, lower limit. Okay, so 145, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170. So upper limit, you take this number. This is very easy, like ABC only doing. 149, 154, 164, 169, 174. Okay, after that is the midpoint. Midpoint. So midpoint, you just look at the formula. Midpoint is lower limit plus upper limit, then you divide by 2. So lower limit, if you choose this class, 145 plus 149, you divide by 2, you will get 147. So this is 147. Yeah, you just add the upper and lower, and then you divide by 2. This one you'll get 152, 157, 162, 167, and 172. Okay, the second last is lower boundary. Yeah, lower boundary. So how to find the lower boundary? You look at the lower part lah. Yeah, lower. So you look at 145. 145. There is a boundary here, and the next number will be 144. So you want to find the here the boundary. What's the number here? So you just plus 144 plus 145, you divide by 2. So what you'll get is 1 144.5. Okay, so the next one is 150. The next number will be 149. So you plus 149 plus 150, you divide by 2, you'll get 149.5. 149.5. And you can see the pattern. Actually, you just minus 155 with 0.5. So this one you will get 154.5. See the pattern? This one will be 159.5. You just minus 0.5. Yeah. And then this one you'll get 164.5. This one 169.5. Okay, for upper boundary, you look at the upper number, yeah, for each class. So this one I clear lah, this one. Okay, now you look at the upper boundary, 149. So the next number will be 150. Yeah, for upper you look to the right. Yeah, and then 149 you plus 150 divide by 2, you'll get 149.5. Yeah, 149.5. Upper boundary, look at the upper number. So once again 154, the boundary here, so the next number will be 155. So you divide by 2, you'll get 154.5. So for upper boundary, you just plus 0.5. Yeah, you just plus 0.5 from the upper, for your upper limit. So for this one, it will be 159.5. Or you look at here lah. Yeah, look at here. And this one will be 164.5. This one will be 169.5. This will be 0.5. So you have completed your frequency table. Yeah, frequency table. And then what else you need to know? What else you need to know is for the size, for the size of class interval. You know it's 5 here, but if you are given the table, maybe in any questions in your exercises or in your exam, you were asked to find the size of class interval. There are two methods. First, you just minus your lower limit. Yeah, the lower limit. I use the red pen. You just minus 2 consecutive classes. So 150 you minus 145, you'll get 5. Yeah, the size of class interval. The other method is you use your lower boundary and upper boundary. You can the same class, you just minus. Yeah, 149. Okay, minus 149.5 minus 144.5. This one also you will get 5. Yeah. Okay. This is just tips for you lah. If you are given a table and you are asked to find the size of class interval.